Hi, everyone. Wanted to share a quick tool that I use daily and sometimes multiple times a day. When I'm feeling anxious or stressed or like I'm trying to do too many things at one time, I start to feel tight in the chest. I start to hold my breath. And this is a way that I get myself back in my body and in a sense of ease. So either sit up tall wherever you are right now or stand up, even better, bonus points for standing up. Feel your feet into the floor. Lift your toes up and spread them out so you can feel all four corners of your feet into the floor or your shoes. Shrug your shoulders up by your ears. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, soften the shoulders down your back. Cross your arms. Bring your fingertips so they touch your collarbones. You can either do this with your eyes opened and looking at one spot, or you can close your eyes and bring your awareness to either the tip of your nose or the middle of your forehead. Take a deep breath in. Open mouth, clear it out. And slowly start to tap one side, then the other side with your fingertips, tapping your collarbones. And when I'm usually feeling anxious and I start doing this, I notice that I'm tapping really fast. And that's a good way of getting present. And I just intentionally start to slow the tapping down. So again, eyes can be closed as you're doing the tapping slowly. And you can have your eyes open if you choose. And notice your breathing in as you feel yourself tapping opposite collarbones. Breathe out. And continue a slow rhythmic breathing pattern as you feel the tapping on your shoulders and also feel your feet. You could wiggle your toes or just feel the sensation of your feet on the floor or in your shoes. Take a couple more breaths here as you feel the tapping alternating one side to the other. If you feel open to it, you can slow the tapping down even more. And take one more breath cycle in and out. Feel the tapping, feel your feet. If this feels good, you can keep doing the tapping for as long as you like, or you can take your hands down by your sides. Take another big breath in and a big breath out. Check in. Notice how your body was feeling before. Usually I feel the tension in my chest and shoulders when I'm trying to do lots of things or feel like 10 things should have already been done in the last minute. And usually after doing that, I either feel less tension in the chest or it might be completely gone. And then I can move on through the rest of my day. So I hope this tool is helpful for you anytime you're feeling anxious or stressed, but don't have a whole lot of time. 1 minute to just stop, feel your feet, take some deep breaths, and just alternate, tapping one side and starting to slow yourself down. Thanks for joining me. Have a beautiful rest of your day.